Shield is now Rexona, the official deodorant sponsor of the FIFA World Cup 2026. Whatever happens, Rexona won't let you down. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Itiski TV. My name is Ngulule Konkeo. I'm with Ubobo and I'm also with Ukhaukhelo Subata as well. This show is proudly sponsored by or brought to you by Rexona. It won't let you down. Thank you very much for joining us. Please make sure you like the content. Please make sure that you comment as well. You agree or disagree with what we are saying. Of course, there's only one thing to talk about. It's Bafana at the FIFA World Cup. Of course, we played 1-1 against Churchill. We'll touch base on that. Maybe some overall thoughts, things that we forgot to mention in our videos on Thursday. And we'll also look forward to Bafana against South Korea, a match that Bafana must win to progress to the next round if they want to give themselves a good chance of going through. Bobzit, thank you very much for joining us. How are you, sir?
I'm good, Mr. Nkeunjangu.
Yes, sir.
We
Yes, sir. Nice one. From Thursday, there was a lot of talks about Bafana, the performance. And of course, some people would have been proud as well that at least we got our first point in our first goal as well. Although it was a penalty, although there was still a lack of creativity, we did not open the Czech Republicans up in terms of going forward. Let's look back at that game. Some of the things maybe you did not mention in your video, some of the things that you've had time to think about as well.
Yeah, Mr. Nkeu, if you can look at the game the way it's going, I think best now my chances to win that game the way paying a corner because Bengals i-opponent Bafana but not ngale ndlela ngicabanga ukuthi beyingozi ngakhona just that into engibone ngayo ukuthi they understand when they want to attack Bafana and uma ungabheka na the way Bafana be responda ngakhona bekubonakala i-creativity ileka but kule side la right la Thapelo Maseko. I think ile side ngicabanga ukuthi Bafana beyenza khona ama box entries Lisomdawo makes those crosses kulela side. So ngicabanga ukuthi bekungasi team bad but for Amachita I think they played very well because of their game draw islethe game in. Abantu abaningi now they will say why ni celebrate ngathi niwinile. It's because benikeza amathemba ukuthi now if we can win last game we can qualify for last 32. So but for me I think Amachita they played very well their game, Mr.
And creatively it was still an issue because with Mexico we didn't do anything. In this one mhlambe songeze 1 or 2. Like if in Mexico we had no chances created. Gule game we had 1 or 2, maybe 3 chances as well. What do you think that is the reason for that? Is it because of the stage? Is it because of our tactics that we're not creating many chances? Or maybe ukwamukela ukuthi we're not at that world class level?
Yeah, I think now lokho Mr. Nkeu point maybe na lokusaba. I think Amachita aba understand the level abakuyo because of ngicabanga ukuthi lento isuyela from a dressing room. If a campaign kuna lento ukuthi we must respect our opponent at the end of the day uzobona ngamachita but for me ngiyacabanga okunye futhi ukuthi le quality esinayo Mr. Nkeu ngaphandle ukuthi mhlawumbe singafuna ukuzikhohlisa but kulesa stage esikuso ngicabanga ukuthi we don't have equality enough because when you look at amanye amaqembu de uyadlala ngakhona ukhona ukubona man not the way ba aggressive ngakhona not the way badlala ngakhona ukuthi no man these people kukhona abanakho esinganakho because into nje mina ngichaza kakhulu kulama game ngichaza abadlali ngicabanga ukuthi uma ubheka ama first touch wabo ubheke the way uma ngabe ibhola a receiver ngakhona uyakhona ukubona ukuthi lo muntu akathatha isikhathi ukwenza lento afuna ukuyenza so ngicabanga ukuthi even the quality ingasi disturb.
You were talking off air as well, off camera. The moment Iran ikore goal yabo marabati offside izoli Iran idlala ne Belgium it was 0-0. Now Iran, I was looking at their team sheet. The only player overseas that I could see there is the player number 9 Utaremi.
Yeah.
Their captain is the one who receives a free kick and he turns and he shoots. Unfortunately for them, it was a tiny offside. And you were complimenting them, Uguti. Nabo, although many of them are local players, but the inhliziyo yokuthi uzitshela ukuthi we are here, we are going to try and do something.
Yes, Mr. Nkeu. Ubheka ne basic abakulo. Ubheka nabo inle ine team leceda ukudlala
Cape Verde.
Cape Verde. If ubheka nabo Cape Verde uyibadlala ngakhona, uyakhona ukubona ukuthi no sometimes i-development ibaleka kakhulu Mr. Nkewu. Omunye umuntu angazwa ngathi mhlawumbe sithi abadlala bekho ready ukuthi but sibheke nangendlela labadlali bangakhona. Ubheke nje individually the way umdlali enza izinto ngakhona, uyakhona ukubona ukuthi into ayijwayele, into akhula ngayo ukuthi okay i-basic into engikhula ngayo akumthatha isikhathi ukwenza something. Sengicabanga ukuthi naso le stage esikuso Mr. Nkewu kuya ngokuthi mhlawumbe nina ni prepare kanganani njenge team, nine khona elingakanani ukuthi mhlambe ningakwazi ukumelana nalesimo esilapha, because when you look at ama team alapha yakhona ukubona ukuthi no abanye bayaluza but baluza abadlalile, ubona ukuthi kuna something abazama ukuyenza but uthola ukuthi the quality kulama team ayifani.
We play CAF Champions League as South Africa. Last year we had Pirates and Sundowns semi-final, playing against Pyramids and Al Ahly. It was South Africa versus Egypt, CAF Champions League last year. This year we won CAF Champions League as a South Africa. And we always think that the CAF Champions League is the highest level, and it is at least a level above the Betway Premiership, because it's continental football. Ukuzithemba loku, because I've seen Rulani Mukwena's Sundowns go to Casablanca and outplay opponent and make them so confused that it feels like it's a home ground game. Yes, Sundowns. I've seen Coach Peter Musemane's team do the same thing. Go Al Ahly, for example. Ukuzaganje in the last 5 years, last 8 years, we've seen Sundowns, including Orlando Pirates, what they did last year. Umuha Nkota scoring 2 goals in the first half against the Belouizdad in Algeria, almost scoring a hat-trick in the first half. Our players gave us the impression yokuthi banako ukuzithemba abasabi stage. Club World Cup, there's a game Ikram Reina scored a hat-trick but abamshaya nge-VAR, and all of these VAR moments are small offsides, but he scores a hat-trick, uyapenduka, finish. America, in that same country, Ikram Reina scored a hat-trick in one of those games against Borussia Dortmund, banishaya 4-3. Lucas Ribeiro scoring the goal of the tournament there. So uvalo asilbonanga ngaphambili. We've seen our clubs, Sundowns and Orlando Pirates, playing at the highest level without ukubonakalisa ukuvalo. Those are the same players now baku World Cup. Lubuyaphi luvalo lolo?
Yeah, I think Mr. Nkewu kuleya FIFA Club World Cup players ebekade bayidlala lapha, they understood ukuthi abayanga lapha kuyowina i-World Cup. Baye lapha ukuthi they're going to play. So they've got nothing to lose, because you understand ukuthi le stage nguso niyodlala nabapha ama team. So just go and play football.
Showcase your talent.
Enjoy yourself. You understand? So ngicabanga ukuthi nalento le mhlambe ngabe nathi sizitshela lokho ku national team ukuthi okay, asisho ukuthi sizoyiwina iWorld Cup, but let's go and play. Uma ngabe mhlambe sifuna, but mangabe sithi okay sifuna mhlambe ukuthi siqualify siqhubeke siye phambili, yes ila khona uzobona khona kuba nefear kuba khona mhlambe badlali labangathi abasithembi. But if laba badlali bebazi ukuthi siya lapha siyodlala ukuthi asidlale, uma ngabe siyawina ngicabanga ukuthi nako lokho bekungenza ukuthi mhlambe labadlali uvalo lungabi khona. So umehluko lapho Mr. Nkewu, and also uma ungabheka ku CAF Champions League abadlala lapha, most lama team escompete now sibajaja ngama league ukuthi badlala kwapha ama league, leyo league ne PSL, you understand, because those players now abadlali kulama league ebekade kudlala kuma CAF Champions League. Most of the players kulama country adlala kuma league at top.
Yeah, Egypt for example ayinabe badlala abaningi be Al Ahly. Morocco has 0 players abadlala kubo Wydad. It's a different selection of players, so it's a different quality of players that we are facing.
Exactly. So and uma ungabheka those players, I don't think bahamba bayekuyodlala kulamazwi sebabadala, baya basasebancane to le development abakhulela kuyo, bakhulela ku development right. That is why uma ungabheka technique yabadlali yonke lento le ba good, because ama development wala ma team mhlawumbe ngicaka ukuthi ase overseas angcono kakhulu kunathi Mr. Nkewu. Njengoba ngihlala ngisho ngithi thina siyothola ukuthi umdlalo na 21 years sitshela ukuthi usase youngsters, but beka bona ukuthi banjani umdlalo na 21 bakhona ukumfaka kulama game esicabanga ukuthi thina owethu umdlalo angeke simhlalise kuwo. So kusho bona ukuthi lama development angeke afane, but sengisho ukuthi if maybe bafana beyiya kulama game nayo mhlambe ngalendlela ukuthi okay siyaya, yes ufuna ukucompete but asicabanga ukuthi siyoyina iWorld Cup, lokho angeke sikufihle. So yes, football anything can happen. Umuntu angasho ukuthi hayi bongazi ukuthi mhlambe enye team ike yayithatha mhlawumbe iWorld Cup ungacabanga ukuthi ingayithatha, but lapha Mr Nkewu le stage esikuso siphezulu kakhulu for iBafana Bafana.
Yeah, just going back to the game at Chechia, Bobzit. Debza converting the penalty. We conceding the goal very early on as well. Uyawancoma Majid ukuthi adlale kahle in terms of they got a point from that game. Was there any level of disappointment from you in terms of how we applied ourselves? Or mhlambi yewamukela ukuthi there's levels and maybe there's a gap between us namachid as a Czech Republic?
Yeah, for the game Mr Nkewu njengoba ngisho ngithi besinawo ama chances ukuthi we can win le game the way ngibone ngakhona.
Sure.
Just that kube nama lack of concentration kumajida mawungabheka the West concede ngakhona. But after lapho ubonile ukuthi if sizokwazi nathi ukuthi sidominate ngeball position kusho kona ukuthi we can do something Mr Nkewu, because ngibonile iBafana Bafana uma ikwazi ukudominate ukuthi no iconfidence yabuye emajideni, siyakwazi ukuthi at least manje sikwazi ukulinoka nasehafini yabo, siyenze lawo box entries, silethe lawo crosses uma ngabe mhlawumbe sifike eboxini. So kusho kona ukuthi ngendlela abadlale ngakhona amajida mina ngiwanikeza credit Mr Nkewu, yiyo asiletha manje egamini ukuthi na noma nje indiza ingaba i-ready but iyazi ukuthi bangayicisha leya ignition ukuthi masingawina kule game siyahlala, uyabona. So ingendlela ngisho ngakho beyibaleke kakhulu Mr Nkewu, but for me amajida they played well Mr Nkewu. The way ngibone ngakhona omunye umuntu mhlambe cause masiyibheka siyobheka kakhulu the negativity yalamajida ukuthi no man, but labe kumele benze so. Khumbula ukuthi maseyenzekile lento vele sizoyibona ngendlela mhlawumbe siyibona ngakhona, but for me ngibanikeza icredit amajida ukuthi badlalile Mr Nkewu.
The other thing on Abobsit is the changes we made as well, because if you akhumbula with Mexico it was 5 defenders, 3 midfielders and so on, and then in the game against Chechia I think umqeqeshi wamkelile ukuthi there has to be changes, kumele sikwazi ukuluma going forward. At least Apolis was there, Reynas was there, Umasego was there. So were you happy with the tactical lineup?
Yeah, being happy Mr Nkewu because ilento besiyidinga, especially uma ngabe sifuna iwin Mr Nkewu kumele sibe ne-creativity. Even though sibone ngathi ayikho enough, but labadlali abalethile to bring in uApolis as you're saying now, no Maseko, no Reynas, kubonisile ukuthi coach kuna something ayidingayo going forward. Naleya defense ukuthi besidefenda ngabadlali aba5 ukwazile ukuyichange asidlale nga4. So lokho kukutshela something ukuthi okay manje ucoach ubonile ukuthi okay le game le ayikho into ekumele siyenze ngaphandle ukuthi siwine or sidraw, but uma ungabheka nangendlela mhlawumbe badlali beze ngakhona unfortunately sisuka sesithole mhlawumbe lawo makhati ngicabanga ukuthi ayasicosta Mr Nkewu, but ngendlela ayeze ngakhona ucoach Hugo Broos ngicabanga ukuthi wenze kahle ukuthi eze ngale attack akwazi nama-sub wakhe. Uyambona ukuthi bekakwazi ukuthi akhiphe istriker lethi striker, akhiphe inumber 8 e1 ku-midfield alethe uRail as number 10. Sure kona ukuthi bekabona ukuthi okay manje ngidinga more creativity going forward, and isebenzele lokho because ukuletha boRail unabo Maseko ngibonile ukuthi bese sikwazi ukuthi sikwazi ukunokha ibhola phambi kwe-midfield yethu la khona sizokwazi ukujoina nabo mahopa. So ngicabanga ukuthi ya wenze kahle kakhulu kulama changes awenzile ucoach Hugo Broos.
Yeah, before we go to the South Korea game, I want to ask you something interesting, because I think South Africans, the mistake we make is to think that content creators are not going to create content. Me, I consume a lot of content. Like a lot. I listen to English radio. I listen to Americans talk about soccer. They call it soccer. This is where I pick up some ideas as well about the game. About Troy Deeney, about Zlatan Ibrahimovic, about Thierry Henry. They watch the World Cup, they get paid, and they talk about it. What do you think about South Africans being offended by people from overseas, Nama Nigerian, whatever, other Africans, when they are watching a World Cup, they look at us, they find us unentertaining. It's not like we are creating chances. It's true we were not entertaining the first game. It's true even in the second game, maybe we didn't create more than 3 chances. Yeah. Why are we complaining about it? Like, for people to be honest when they see the game, South Africa. I don't know whether they're Americans. Like, they're like 11 or 12 years old. They were like, yeah, this is the worst team. Yeah. Of course, that's not factually correct, but they watched the game and they saw Asimnandanga. Yeah. So why is Scar Latina? Because this thing happens. Like, they're gonna do it. Magdalabo Iraq, Banban. I watched the game, I didn't like it. Why Tina Scala?
I think Mr. Nkewu, Scala because of Tina Swazi ukuthi bazi ukuthi Tina sigudi kuphi enebona after sibatshelile or babona ukuthi sigudi kuphi ba expect more ku South Africa ukuthi sifuna ukubona lento South Africa eyiyo. Unfortunately abayiboni lento and kwamele bayisho lento abayishoyo because balindele something. If ungabheka manje balindele ukuthi okay kune team yase South Africa ewine i-Champions League,
yeah.
you understand? Yeah. Then bafuna ukubona ukuthi na kanti le team ewinile okay bathi idlala ngama local players, the majority yalabadlali. Then sifuna ukubona laba le team ebiye South Africa ukuthi na labadlali base South Africa basiphatheleni. But mabafika bayithola sidlala ngade wesidlala ngakhona ilaba cala khona ukuthi hayi manje shoda akusilento le thina sibona eSouth Africa sesibona enye South Africa manje uyabona. So ngicabanga ukuthi thina kumele si understand ukuthi why labantu bakhuluma de bakhuluma khona is because banolwazi ngeSouth Africa ukuthi South Africa can do better, but now uma sibheka idlala kanje ayisinikezi lento esicabanga ukuthi ingasinikeza kona. So thina kumele si understand lokho.
Our Rexona moment of the week is a moment from the game that won't let you down. Bafana considered the first goal. It was a headache again. What are we going to do? How are we going to come back from the game? Cometh the man, cometh the hour. Thapelo Masego on the right wing, where we lacked creativity up front, he raised his hand and say, I will be your savior. That's our Rexona moment of the week, a performance that did not let us down. Thapelo Masego coming through, helping us, eliminating defenders, and crucially in the second half, winning the penalty that then was converted by Utebuho Mokoena, and Bafana equalized. Our first points on the table, our first goal on the table as well for Bafana at the 2026 FIFA World Cup. If you think about what has happened to Thapelo Masego, you will realize that this is amazing from him, an amazing comeback for the past 12 months. He was at Sundowns, he was loaned overseas, we didn't know whether or not he was going to make the Bafana squad. He made it, and against Czechia, he gave us a fabulous moment throughout the game, not just one moment. Rexona moment of the week was for him a Rexona game of the week, really, if you think about it, because he was able to eliminate his defenders, take people on, win us also the penalty as well. So well done to Thapelo Masego. We are going to need you, of course, for the next game against South Korea. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our Rexona moment of the week. We move on then to the next segment. Bafana are playing South Korea on Thursday morning. It will be a test for a lot of us. I don't think anyone will be brave enough to wake up at 3 without any alarm. So I want to tell some South Africans it's ignorant to think that you're going to naturally wake up at 3. You don't normally do that. So please set your alarm 2:30 a.m. on Thursday. When the alarm is ringing, you can just delay it by 5 minutes, snooze it by 10 minutes. But maybe on the third time, as you snooze it, then you can wake up as well. It will be the same test for us as Itiski TV. We'll try our best to whoever can make it at 3 a.m., whoever is here will be here. I wouldn't be upset that some people are a little bit late and so on, because 3 a.m. is not a normal time for us to watch football matches. But we'll cover that game as we normally do. South Korea, Bafana. Now then, the questions are, who is going to replace Mokoena against South Korea? Second, and this is the biggest question for South Africans, will we see Relebohile Mofokeng starting that game? That's not my question. It's a question for you, because I suppose people are saying he had a great game in the second half. That's questionable, debatable, but people want to see the young superstar. And thirdly, will Bafana get the crucial 3 points they need to go to the next round of the competition? We'll talk about that with Bobzit. Bobzit, let's start with Mofokeng. What do you do if you're Hugo Bros and you want to play Mofokeng? Do you play him in the second half? Do you play him in the first half? What did you think of his impact as well, even in the last game?
Yeah, number one, Mr. Nke, ukumele ngibheke ukuthi yini engiyifuna kuleya game. Nakhona if ngifuna ukudlala ngenumber 10 efana noRile. Nginabo badlali yini abazokwazi ukuthi ba-protect uRile most of the time ku-midfield yethu. Because if you play uRile as a number 10, expect uRile to lose amabhola. So if uRile uzwa lawo mabhola, ukwazi ukuthi si covered, especially ngokuthi singaphinda futhi sifuna kuwina i-ball position ku-opponent, uyabona. So mina ngicabanga ukuthi uma ungabheka the way sifuna i-winning ngakhona, Mr. Nke usidinga u3 point ukuthi sibone siku last 32, but kumele ukuthi siphinde sicabange nange-defense ukuthi siyo structure kanjani when it comes to defend, because we can say let's go and attack, only to find that ukuthi lamajita athola igoli before thina siyodlala under pressure. So ngicabanga ukuthi uma really akhona, yes kuyenza umsebenzi ube lula ku coach Hugo Bros because sidinga i-creativity. And uma ngithi ngiyabheka abo really uma akhona Mr Nkewu namanje ngisakutshela ngiyacabanga ukuthi kungaba right ukuthi if singakwazi ukuthola le creativity asithola ama foul next to the box, you know, singa undermine abombokazi nabo Aubrey Modiba ngama free kicks, asizama ukuthola lawo ma free kicks. Mina that is why ngithi I want to really abe khona so that sikwazi ukuthi if asithola creativity asithola ama set piece, because I know ukuthi ugood kuphi umdlalo ofana no real as a number 10, but khumbula ukuthi are we ready ukuthi sinabadlali bokuthi we can play nine players behind the ball, because now abadlali aba aggressive, abadlali sikwazi ukuthi if silose ibhola asivumeli South Korea ukuthi is attack isithola ukuthi sesiba outnumbered emuva because of bona they are quick, they are good one speed, you understand. So nakho lokho kumele sikubheke, singabheki attack kuphela, siphinde sibheke ukuthi sizokhona ukuchase na sibuye sizomakha.
So really you want him for the attacking part, the creativity part, the potential that he can win as free kicks on the edge of the box, or maybe even create goals
or score
as well. Thank you. But also you need people to track back. So this is the biggest question and the dilemma for the coach. He's now thinking about it. Today is Monday. Tomorrow he'll be thinking about it. Wednesday he'll be thinking about it. Maybe he's not yet made the decision because he thinks, I still have to defend the South Koreans. Now, if you are in his shoes, what do you do?
Mina Mr. bengizodlala nga 3 midfielders. Bengizoma kancane ngo number 10 if it was me. Ngidlala ngalama winger nale striker engizobe nginazo. But kwamanje une problem mhlambe ukwazi ukuthi uzo attacker kanjani if mhlawumbe unalama le midfielder ozodlala ngayi 3, because ngifuna ucontrol the ball position at the end of the day. Umunye ngathi no asilale ngabadlala abawu2 ku midfield sibe no number 10 so that sikwazi, but lo number 10 ukwazi ukuthi kumele abuye azo assista lapha ku midfield, because asifuna ukutholakala sesiba exposed ku midfield because of inumber esinayo ibe incane. Mina bengizo attacker the way le lineup ngibone eza ngayo.
So the same lineup on against Chelsea,
4-3-3, because 4-2-3-1 ngiyacabanga ukuthi singaza ngayo second half, because mase sibona ukuthi manje kuyabheda silithola igoli, it's when you can introduce the number 10 then ubulale one midfielder so that sibone ukuthi si-attacker kanjani, or else unga-add futhi ne-striker uma ngabe sesi-disparate for igoli, sibone ukuthi okay sidefenda kanjani, ama wing back wethu akwazi ukukhuphuka wonke, siba ne-rest defense enough. But for me ngaqala ngale 3 midfielder, ngiqale ngibone ukuthi siyakwazi ukuthola igoli nakhona uma singaba nenhlanhla siyithola lela goli uyothola kungasanaso leso sidingo se number 10, because at the end of the day uyothola sesi-80 defense ukuthi siprotecte lela goal uma ngabe sikhathi sesambile for second half.
Utebza I think is I don't know, I think is maybe the greatest player of this era, and most of the time greatest players of course are normally attacking players. Tiko Modise was the face of his generation at the time, Nabo Shaba as well to some degree. Previous to that it was about Dr. Khumalo, and so on and so forth. I think with Utebza is a role model. I don't he's a face of South African football. Umufukeng is the face, of course, because he's a young attacker. If in Nkosema 2000, he's the face of the young ones. But Utebza is like a model for a football player on and off the field. Scores a penalty. He's a leader. He's been playing since SuperSport United broke him through Adalaguma Olympic. I've never seen even a player who plays so long without breaking down through injury. I've always been concerned about that. We're not going to have them against South Korea. What is the impact, and how do you then change things around? Who do you put in there to make sure that you plug that gap?
Mr. Nkewu, silahlekele uTebza. Uma ungabheka the way uTebza ngakhona, ngomunye umdlali ukudlalela i6 the way ufuna ngakhona, ukudlalela i8 the way ufuna ngakhona, and uTebza le engine anayo kunenye ibhola al clear lapha Mr. Nkewu. It was a goal lapho lalela, but uma ungabheka ukuthi utholakale kuphi ngasiphi isikhathi
position left back. Position left back. It's the left back who's supposed to be there.
Yeah, so yabona ukuthi umdlalo ofana noTebza, yes ngasho sithi we have players obvious vele abazodlala kule position, but for me silahlekelwe kakhulu kule position yaka Tebza. Khumbula ukuthi okay besine red card yaka Yaya is back. Ngicabanga ukuthi coach Hugo Bros uzomletha kuyaya. Akekho umunye umdlali ngicabanga ukuthi kule midfield ungayom-add if ufuna ukudlala.
Yeah, the squad that we have. The only midfielders that are remaining is Ujaden, yeah, Nombata.
Yes.
So that's Bayers bigger, they pick themselves. Unless you want to take that gamble, Gamufu gang, and then not put Uyaya. But if you want to play three midfielders, you have no choice but to play those three midfielders.
If siyodlala nga-3 uyaya ukhona lapha and ukuba khona kwakayaya sekumele kube nokurectifya kwama mistake between ugoalkeeper uma ngabe kuzoba kunoronza ukuthi no manje njengoba sazi ukuthi kunama mistake esiwayenzile ukuthi sidlale la ku D-line. So kumele ubheke ukuthi kusuka kunobani because uyaya akekho comfortable angeke ukufihla lokho ayikho comfortable especially uma ungabheka kulama build up especially uma ngabe appressiwe ukudlala kulama tight space akekho good. So ngicabanga ukuthi mangabe uyaya uzoba lapha sizozilimita nokuthi sidlale lamabhola kuma D-line. Maybe sayila khona ngoba saba sine option yama winger. We can play wide lawo mabhola mhlambe kuma winger ethu sikwazi nokuthi siyowina ama second ball because into ebalekile ukuthi siwina ama second ball. These guys are short, siya understand but if uzoba unongwana sesi up front ngibona uwina wonke amabhola eReal and remember if unongwana sesi uyomdinga number 10 at least noma udlala ngale midfield kube na someone ozobaduze because uzowina I know ukuthi amabhola aphezulu uzowina ungwana sesi then uma khupha amawina lawo mabhola kumele sikwazi uwina second ball at the end of the day because angeke control around ema defender amaningi so ngicabanga ukuthi nakho lokho ngasinceda kakhulu
isikhatha sikho bobset ku World Cup simbonile angena uApollos and besimfuna futhi and I will never be too critical on a player who missed the first game. He didn't start the first game and then he started the next game. Unfortunately for him, he did not have a good game. I'm sure even if himself he would admit that. I'm thinking now that Umufugeng can play where Apollos is. Is there not even a thought that because asiko isikhathi ku World Cup, signigile second game, Stella manje ukuthi uqala uApollos mara on the left hand side, uqale Umufugeng on the left hand side. Would you not ever think about that idea?
Uyacabanga Mr Nkeo but ukhumbule ne recovery ku defense ukhumbule ukuthi lapha kule side la kaMudiba uMudiba kudinga umuntu ozomcover it's either mangabe sazi ukuthi sizocover nge center back or sizocover nge midfield A1 kulela side la kaOpri but expecting really ukuthi aluze ibhola njenga attacking player ukuthi quick uzobuya zo assister uOpri I don't think ukuthi kanjalo ingasebenza so ngicabanga ukuthi kunabadlali ngicabanga ukuthi bagudu ekwenzeni into efana naleyo ngakunikeza example ngomremi noSebelebele kulama winger ilama winger ngaziyo ukuthi ba aggressive if silose ibhola we can play 9 players behind the ball because they are quick ukurecover kuma spaces so ngicabanga ukuthi for really is good mangabe siyoba attack kulela winger and I know ukuthi uyakwazi ukudila ngama 1v1 uyakwazi ukukhatha athatha ama shot on target really nakhona lapho singa benefit but we must also solve the problem ye recover
when you lose the ball back. Yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point. Where's your head at in terms of South Korea? And do you think we can beat them? Because I'm convinced that it's going to be difficult. I'm stopping short of saying we're going to lose because I want to encourage our people. We want, of course, Bafana to do well. Looking at the strength of these two teams, I respect South Korea. I think that they are currently better than us. They're doing development better. They have more European players. It doesn't mean it's impossible, of course, but I think it's going to be a mountain to climb. Where are you at? Can we beat South Korea?
Yeah, yes, we can, Mr. Nkeo. Even though you're banzima, angeke kube lula because you know when you watch South Korea, uyakhona ukubona ukuthi i-team strong kune Bafana. The way badlale ngakhona not the way sidlale ngakhona so ngicabanga ukuthi mina side lami we can beat South Korea as long as sizoba discipline Mr Nkeo I know ukuthi angeke kube lula but as long as sizoba discipline singa concede before yabona masingaqala thina score eqala sinawo ama chances because we have players ngicabanga ukuthi abombatha in the middle of the park nabo Jaden they can try to control their midfield because these guys ba good nange passing game so uma ngabe nathi sizokwazi ukuthi sizame ukuthi sithole leya confidence sikwazi ukudlala ibhola sibambe lela bhola sil-own leya midfield si-own leya before we can play kuma attacking players ngicabanga ukuthi ngasinceda kakhulu but singa undermine leya team Mr Nkeo they are good la amajita so njengoba ngisho ngithi if sizoya lapha ngeattack kuphela sizoba surprised uthole basibambe early lamajita basiphanishe so ngicabanga ukuthi kumele sikwazi ukuthi sidila nabo kanjani and ila ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abafana nabo Sailor kumele basibonakalise kahle ngoba uSailor ugood lapho kulabadlali bafuna ukubathatha ngama 1v1 and is good lapho because ukunikeza space la azodila nawe khona but abanye bamhlangana phele bamshaya ngama early passes. Asengakazi committee then ba release ibhola, so it's easy to break aboseyila, but ngithe ngibheka the way ba attack ngakhona kuma winger ila badlala ngicanga ukuthi siyokwazi ukudila nabo kula ma winger as long as sizoba disciplined njengoba ngisho Mr Nkewu. Ngicabanga ukuthi singawina, angeke kube lula, but ama results ngiyacabanga ukuthi 3 points singayithola Mr Nkewu, sizibona ku last 32 by switch off layer machine Mr Nkewu.
Finally, this could be Hugo Bross's last game as a Bafana Bafana coach. Could be.
Yeah. So ushizo marumatala ukuthi
because it's the end of the contract, it's the end of the
ngabe vele siyaluza kusho wona ukuthi kuphelile Mr Nkewu, but so sizawuthini, let's hope ukuthi sizowina njengoba sisho basho abanye bathi love is blind, but uma ngabe you are a South African siya believe
we have no option. That's our team. That's our team.
Yeah.
But yeah, it could be. I suppose we'll discuss it. Thank you very much, Bobzet. We'll discuss it next week, whatever happens to Bafana Bafana, even the future of the coach. It's not a debate what will happen to him. It's the end of the contract. It's the end of his tenure as well. I think he's the third coach to ever qualify Bafana Bafana for a World Cup. So what is done is not historic, but it was commendable, which was a good thing. But other people have done it before. Coach Clive Barker qualified us for the World Cup in 1998. Philip Truzier took over from him at the tournament. In 2002, Coach Carlos Queiroz qualified us for the World Cup in Korea and Japan. Dr. John Masono ended up becoming the coach there. In 2010, of course, we qualified because we were the host. So Hugo Bross was the third coach to qualify Bafana Bafana for the World Cup. It was not historic, but it was commendable. It was a good job that he did. Thank you very much for watching us. We shall see you on Thursday. Thank you for watching us. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.